today's magic verse, Kids TV.
Get ready for a Would You Rather mystery gift showdown? We'll present you with 3 options, 2 gifts you've already known, and 1 hidden gem. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing quizzes, and let's play. Would you rather have $1,000, a new iPhone 16, or what's in the mystery? Gift, a super Porsche. Wow, this mystery gift is crazy. Do you want to eat an ice cream cone, ice cream popsicle, or get the surprise in the mystery gift? And the mystery dish is ice cream sundae. Hooray, all right, are you confident with your choice? This time inside the mystery gift is burnt pizza. Would you get an iPad, a Kindle, or the mystery gift? No way, just a broken iPad. Chocolate cupcake, vanilla cupcake, or wait for the gift to open? Caramel cupcake. Time to choose a pet. What do you think? I hope you didn't choose this cockroach. Would you rather eat a burger, a pizza, or have the mystery gift? It's fried chicken. Do you like it? Do you love summer, winter, or choose mystery gift? Comment your favorite season down below. Would you rather live in a penthouse, a mansion house, or choose mystery gift? A poor house. I definitely don't want this gift. Which game is the best, Minecraft, Roblox, or? Fortnite. Would you choose gaming PC, gaming console, or open the mystery game?
It's VR gaming. Wow, give me one, please.
Will you take a Rolex watch, Android watch, or the mystery gift? And the mystery gift is just a toy watch. Too bad for you. Can you guess who's behind the mystery gift? This time it's Shrek. This game is so fun. Now I'll give you a chance to choose some new sneakers. No, it's sandal. I don't want to get it. Next choice. What do you think about Mr. Beast chocolate? Now it's time to treat yourself some delicious pancakes. Do you want to try gummy bear pancakes? Which one's your dream car? Be careful with this choice. I told you. Would you rather have a pink bedroom, blue bedroom, or wait for the mystery gift? and it's a rainbow bedroom worth the wait. Pick one, kick two, chocolate waffles, fruit waffles, or the mystery gift. Who wants soap waffles? Not me.